कमल पर करवे में
Ask him. Wish you all a very happy new year in advance.
Yeah.
Stay safe and stay happy.
ചൂടുകാലിനെ കട്ടിലാക്ക വേണ്ട വേണ്ട ആക്കോസ് പോയിന്ന്.
Hello friends. Welcome back to Kuch Kuch World. So we are going for yet another trip today. Today is 30th December.
To the Tidal Falls.
Yeah. Planning to go live tomorrow.
Live was like.
Let's see. Hopefully we'll come at 6 o'clock Indian time. So. കുഞ്ഞേ
കിടന്നുറങ്ങാൻ ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നീ ഉറങ്ങണ വരെ ഞാൻ നിന്നെ അവിടെ പാട്ട് ഏൽപ്പിക്കും.
പോവാന്
100 പ്രാവശ്യം കഴിയും. ഇതൊരു ഉറങ്ങിയില്ലല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ പണ്ട് ഹിന്ദി സിനിമ പ്രേതം നല്ല ചൂടായിരുന്നു. ചൂടുകാലിനെ കട്ടിലാക്ക വേണ്ട വേണ്ട ആക്കോസ് പോയിന്ന്. കണ്ടോ
കുഞ്ഞി നീ ഉറങ്ങുന്നോ ഇല്ലയോ? അച്ഛ കേൾപ്പിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കും. അല്ല ഞാൻ അച്ഛയോട് പറ. ഉറങ്ങിയോ?
കണ്ടോ ഹിന്ദി പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നില്ല. ആ ഊ എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്. ഈ ഹിന്ദി പഠിക്കണം, ഹിന്ദി പഠിക്കണം. കണ്ടോ അവിടെ എത്തി. വീണ്ടും പറ്റടാ.
കുഞ്ഞി ഉറങ്ങുവാന്ന് പറ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അച്ഛ വെച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കും.
ഈ വരും ഈ ആഹാ എത്തി നേരെ തെറ്റാ പാടിയമ്മ. ആഹാ വീണ്ടും വന്നു. കിടന്നുറങ്ങും വീണ്ടും കേൾപ്പില്ല. ആക്ച്വലി പ്രേതങ്ങളൊന്നും അറിയത്തില്ല. പണ്ട് ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരു ഒച്ചയുള്ള ഒരാളുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അവൻ്റെ പാട്ട് കേട്ടപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ബറോഡയിലേക്ക് പ്രേതം വന്നു പറയാൻ ഈ വിശേഷം.
കുഞ്ഞിനി വെക്കല്ലേ എന്ന് പറ പാട്ട്.
ഇനി വെക്കല്ലേ കൊരിങ്ങനെ.
കുഞ്ഞി അമ്മ നന്നായിട്ടല്ലേ പാടിയേ?
പക്ഷേ ആ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ടൈം ടച്ച് പോയി. യു വന്നില്ല.
ഓ വന്നില്ല ഇല്ലയോ? ഓ സോറി. അടുത്ത പ്രാവശ്യം അമ്മ ശരിയാക്കി പിന്നെയും പാടാം കേട്ടോ. Welcome back to Kuch Kuch World. So we are going for yet another trip today. Today is 30th December to the tidal falls. Yeah, and now first stop will be, we are going for breakfast. It will be Prasad Hotel, right? Prasad Hotel. Yeah, 2 hours from here. Actually, the total distance is 3 hours, right?
2 hours 30 minutes.
2 hours 30 minutes. So the first destination we'll stop, we'll have breakfast, because after going to the waterfalls there is nothing nearby. So we thought we'll first have a breakfast and then go. So it is Prasad Hotel. We have heard it is very good and very good reviews we have got. So let's see how it is and we'll give you our reviews. So keep watching our videos and stay tuned. We'll be having lots of fun and we'll be letting you know all the details of how this waterfall was and how the surroundings and everything. Yeah, please subscribe to our channel and keep watching us. After playing for 2 hours, Antakshari also he never sang.
And also this was morning in Southcoast.
Ah, some light is coming. Some light is coming. We can see.
They're slowing down. Something is wrong.
We have to. So divider is there.
Road is correct. Oh, the 69 went there.
Black uncle.
Yeah.
So any KGF fans here, guys? So we are reaching KGF now. It's Kolar. We are in Kolar right
Oh,
now.
that KGF.
What
What are you thinking?
Oh, I thought some girl is there whose girlfriend. So. Yeah, KGF, actual KGF here, guys.
And he missed it.
All 3 cars together, see.
Oh yeah. Yeah, seriously, your car went there.
My God.
That is sure.
Hello, Sakit car.
Party, yo.
What's one uncle?
So guys, we are almost there at our first destination, which is a hotel. It is how many years?
It's like 40 plus years run by a family. It's most famous hotel in Mulbagal, where you get Mulbagal dosa and masala dosa. And the reviews are actually good, so we thought that we'll try it here and go to the waterfall. Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Yeah.
The place name is Mulbagal.
You got it then, no?
Hello. Hello. Something new in our trip today.
Yeah, correct. So we are here at the Prasad Hotel to have
We came
breakfast.
here to have mulbaga dosa.
Yes, and it's a small hotel actually, which is attached to the house. You can see here, and you will get tea or coffee from here.
And soon our channel becomes a traveling channel. And if it's so cold outside, then how will be the waterfall? It will be damn cold. There will be 100 ice mixed in it, deep fried. 100.
He's sleepy already.
Onion was good.
Water, no? So we are done with our breakfast. And guys, any reviews for breakfast?
Excellent. Mulbaga dosa, famous.
You liked it?
Was it worth the
Yeah,
hype?
that's what.
Yes.
That's what we are asking. Yeah, so these people liked everything. I was of the opinion like I liked onion dosa more than the masala
And
dosa.
I liked masala dosa more than onion dosa.
Yeah, so there are like mixed reviews here, and all was like butter
it was
dosa,
pure
only,
butter.
pure butter which was
So
used.
some people found it like more buttery, more oily kind. So
Yeah.
few of them did not like. But yeah, overall, if you're a
Overall,
foodie, you will like it.
Yeah, I also liked it. I'm not saying I did not like, but I liked more. I did not like the masala much compared to the onion dosa. I like onion better. And there is like, it is a small hotel, so if you want to freshen up, because usually we'll take a halt in place where you can fresh up also, So there is no such facility there. So if you want to do fresh up also and you are searching for such a restaurant, then I would say that this is not the choice for you. Or maybe you can go somewhere else, or maybe like there are some hotels which I saw, like Cafe Day is also there, CCD. So there are some points like that, but this which is authentic, so we thought of trying it here. So we have started our journey, and now it is showing for us 35 minutes more to reach the waterfall. So stay tuned, there will be more fun coming up.
Yes, waterfall. Yes.
Kids are all excited. Kushku is already putting, he's sleepy. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Yeah, it's better. Once you develop brains, then you can.
I don't want to cut tomorrow, uncle. I don't want to cut now.
Don't worry, anyway, it will take 5 years.
Uncle, I have to cut now. Uncle told me develop brains, you cut your hair. I told uncle I don't want to cut.
Palantur legs.
Wow, it's like this leg is clean, uncle.
And this is actually nice.
Because no population here, no aram se no pollution,
Like the first thing he does is just go jump in it.
no Omicron.
Okay, it's good, uncle.
Yes, no Delta, no Sigma.
Oh yeah. Birthday, whose birthday?
Rabias.
Sathik's Akmara.
You people are so lame.
So we are on the way to
reach waterfalls.
yes, Kaigal Falls. We have started hearing some. Yeah, we can hear the falls here, and the way is so beautiful. It's pretty scenic. Yes. If you idiots move little front, they can show nicely.
Hello, this is me.
We have reached the falls. That is the origination of the fall, and you can see it's coming, and it's becoming like this here.
And it's a what? Nice waterfall.
And it's flowing towards this side. You can see some people taking photos and all, and it's gonna go down all the way there. The people are actually taking bath. You can see the beautiful waterfall, and in the middle of that waterfall you can see the amazing Shivalingam actually placed, exactly like in the Bahubali movies. You see it's so beautiful, Shivalingam exactly in the middle of waterfall. The water is coming from the top and just flowing down this way and goes down. It's actually a very nice view. The crowd is pretty less, and it's actually a very good place to come with family and enjoy during especially this Corona time when you want to avoid crowds.
Uncle Saket killed his
Hitler's
back.
move, Ray. It's a killer move in chess.
उसको चेक ಕೊಡ್ತಾ
No, that is you killed this one.
ಮುನ್ನಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ
Puchko, check Puchko. Puchko Sak is in a very bad position. Puchko, none of his points are there. None of his points are. Puchko play Puchko no. Puchko do queen. Bishop this bishop.
Pushko is busy playing chess here with his bacha pati.
Where are we going? This full road is like that.
Yes, good.
And we started our journey back from the waterfall. It was very nice, and we went at the right time actually, because when we were coming up it was full crowded. It was very much crowded, so I would suggest like start early come here early and you can before the crowd, you know, because the crowd started coming around at 12 o'clock, and by that time we were all done with our playing in the
I
water.
can't call also.
So that's how we could aram se play in the water and start also, and started drizzling when we were coming back. So you can start early and
Hey, your dad, where is
enjoy.
he taking us, Ray?
I don't know.
I don't know where we are going.
There is no network.
Because our
for any of
network
us
is
and
not
he getting
working.
some network and I don't know which route we are going.
Okay, we'll reach somewhere. I think we had to take that left from where we took the right, no? And that highway. Instead of taking the left, we took the right, I guess.
What is it written, Ray? BR Mall and all. Finally somewhere.
Let's see. We just finished our lunch from Sri Balaji Bhavan. See,
Near KGF.
It's near KGF. So we are on our way back to home, and it was very nicely given lunch. We all ordered meals only, and it was really nice with chapati and 5 varieties of curry, right? 5 varieties of curry, one paisam,
one paisam,
and
and one
banana.
palia, one chutney, and
yeah.
one banana.
And
Banana leaf
rice
also
was-
was there.
And rice was unlimited there.
Yes.
And we also had ice creams and
Yeah, paisam with enjoy.
we
and
also
kaju.
had ice creams and
Ice cream, milkshakes, tea, coffee,
yeah.
and filter coffee was
Fil-
amazing.
yeah.
If you are going via this road, otherwise if you are living anywhere in India, you can come here and have filter coffee.
Yeah,
It's
actually
just
filter
amazing.
coffee was very
It's
nice.
worth
Everybody told
having that even from if you are coming from Jammu Kashmir only to have this. It's amazing.
that was too much.
I know. I know.
Guys, we are almost reaching our destination now, and
Selfie.
Puchku is.
Pacha got up, huh?
Okay.
వీటిలో తిని
Puchku just woke up. So Puchku is still almost sleepy, and we have reached here, and we are just planning to go. There is one special news. We are planning to go live tomorrow.
Live was like.
Let's see. Hopefully, we'll come at 6 o'clock Indian time. So, if whoever is wishing to interact with us, please come online and
Watch
you
our
can-
stream.
Yes. So, stay tuned, guys. Wish you all a very happy New Year in advance.
Shit.
Stay safe and stay happy.
That's More. Reflexer.